Let us now look at a sutram which prescribes another kritya pratyaya. So far we have studied the affixes tavyat, tavya, aniyar. We have also studied achoyat, which prescribes the affix yat, and we have also looked at etistu shas vru dr jushaha kyappa. Now this sutram 31124 prescribes the affix nyat. Nyat. So it's 31124. The sutram is ru halor nyat. Ru halor nyat. Vritti says ruvarnantad halantach dhator nyat. Ruvarnantad halantach dhator nyat. So this affix nyat is prescribed after verbal root which ends in the ruvarnaha. Ruvarnaha means it will be the rikaraha or a rukaraha. Rikara or rukaraha. Ruvarna also includes the rikaraha, but I don't believe there's any dhatu in the dhatu partha which ends in a rikaraha. So here ruvarnaha means only rikaraha or rukaraha, all which ends in a consonant hal. So ruhalor nyat. Actually in this sutram ruhalor, this is shashti dvivachanam, is a arsha prayogaha. It really stands for panchami. So you could have said ruhalaha. Ruhalo nyat. Ruhalaha. So this is the shashti is arsha shashti. So it should actually be panchami. Ruvarnantat halantat ch dhatur. This is, as we always say in the class, is that read the vritti. Read the vritti, because in the vritti the arsha prayoga will become evident to you from the vritti. The vritti says ruvarnantat panchami, halantat panchami. So this is a shashti which is used in place of a panchami. Okay, otherwise the meaning is very straightforward. The affix nyat may be used following any verbal loop which ends any verbal root which ends in a either ends in a rikara, sorry, in a ruvarnaha, which is a rikaraha or a rukaraha, or if it ends in a consonant. So if you take a quick example, haryam comes in Bhagavad Gita. Tasmad pariharyarthe nattam shochitum arhasi. Tasmad pariharyarthe nattam shochitum arhasi. So Bhagavad Gita, pariharya, so avoidable. Apariharya, unavoidable, comes in Bhagavad Gita. So take this dhatu r and ri harane. Of course, the ending nyakara. Nyakara is a it bahalantyam tasya lopaha. So we have anubandha lope r with. So this is a dhatu ending in the ru varnaha. In this case, rakaraha. So r plus nyat by ru halor nyat. Always check that the conditions for applying the sutram are satisfied. It's a very good habit to do that, and the best way to do that is check the vritti. So ruvarnanta dhalantacha. So it's a ruvarnanta dhatu, rukaranta dhatu in this case. So the affix nyat may be used. And the rest of it is quite straightforward. Halantyam takaras itsanya. This takara is for Vedic intonation. It doesn't affect our derivation here. That's only as implication for the Vaidika swaraha. So sort of in the swarabhedaha, it affects the intonation in the Vedas, and so that doesn't affect us here. And the nakara gets the sanya by chutu, tasya lopaha. This nakara, of course, is going to be important because it's going to be used to do the vriddhyadesha. Vriddhyadesha over here. So anubandha lope, we get ya. So halantyam chutu tasya lopaha. Then ya, this affix has the sanya of ardhadhatukam, of course, by ardhadhatukam sheshaha. And we do the gunadeshaha by sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka yoho uran raparaha. We get har ya. And then finally we can do the ata upadhayaha vriddhyadeshaha. So the upadha akaraha takes the vriddhyadeshaha when followed by pratyaha, which is nyat, the chavarga panchama varna is an it, or the tavarga panchama nakara is an it. So we get harya. Now we can, instead of doing these two steps, we could, I guess, also do 72115 instead. Acho nyati. Acho niti could be done. It gives the same result. It gives the same result. Either you do the gunadesha followed by atopadhayaha, or we can, in one step, we can do the 72115 acho niti vriddhyadesha and get the same result. The reason that we read it this way is because this is parakaryam. 7384 is a parakaryam. That's why we did the gunadesha first and then the atopadaya vriddhi. But it will not make any, even if you use 72115, it will not make any difference. And of course, harya gets the pradipadika sanya, krita is a samasascha, and it will be when you use karmani, it is adjectival, like apariharya artha, Bhagavad Gita, apariharya, unavoidable. So this qualifying artha. So that is it can go in all three genders. Now, if you take another example, let's now look at a dhatu which ends in a consonant, because ruhal or nyat applies to any dhatu which ends in a ru varna or in a hal consonant. So this one ru was ending in the ru varna. Let's now take a dhatu which ends in a consonant, dhatu bhuj. Bhuja palana bhyavaharayoho. Palana bhyavaharayoho. So this is used in two meanings, in the sense of protecting, which is a much less common usage, or in the sense of consuming or eating, drinking. Abhyavaharaha. Abhyavaharaha means consuming food. Abhyavaharayoho. Now, bhuj, so this dhatu ends in a consonant because anubandha lope by upadeshe janunasika it, this akarasya it sanya tasya lopaha, and so now the anubandha lope dhatu bhuj ends in a consonant. Anytime you have to check whether something ends in a consonant, ends in a vowel, begins with a vowel, any letter properties, you have to first remove the it letters. Remove the it letters and then only check. So after removing the it letter, the ending akaraha, we get bhuj, which ends in a consonant. So by ruhal or nyat, because it says ruvarnantad halantacha. So this bhuj ends in a consonant, so we can add the affix nyat. Same as before, anubandha lope halantyam chutu tasya lopaha, ardhadhatuka sanya for the pratyaha by ardhadhatukam sheshaha. Then we do puganta lagupatasya cha. Puganta lagupatasya cha. We get bhojya. Now to complete this form, we need another operation from the angasya dhikara. So far we got bhojya. Now we need to replace this jakaraha by a kavarga letter, which is the gakaraha. In order to do that, we will have to use a sutram from the angasya dhikaraha, which is chajoho ku ghinyatoho. So that will be the next sutram that we will be looking at.